tax properties in Canada. Disclaimer: information, strategies, and opinions contained in this presentation are provided for general information and convenience only. Since the particulars of each situation may differ and information may change rapidly, one must seek appropriate, qualified professional advice before acting based upon any information provided by the World Wealth Builders or any affiliate association. Tax sales. What is a tax sale? A tax sale is a piece of property where the owner was unable or failed to pay the property taxes for more than 2 years. These sales are held by public auction, by public tender, or by sealed bids. Depending upon the property, you may be able to get the possession of the property immediately, or at times, if the purchaser is living in if the current owner is still living in the property, the purchaser might have to wait until the redemption period is over. There are so many risks involved in any kind of investment, but being a sophisticated real estate investor, if you do your proper research, the return on your investment will also reflect the amount of education and knowledge you have, and the education and mentoring is available through the World Wealth Builders. Now, the proceeds of the sales are utilized for unpaid taxes and other expenses, and whatever the balance is left over is given back to the current homeowner. Being a professional real estate investor, one can avail the opportunity to help others and start building your incredible wealth. The more education and knowledge you have and on the subject matter, it is going to give you an upper hand. It is going to make it much easier to implement your acquired knowledge. When the taxes are due on a property which are unpaid for the period of 2 years or so, a lien is obtained against the property owner. The successful bidder can convert this lien into ownership of the property if the sums are not paid by the property owner within a specified redemption period, which is usually 1 year in Canada. Each city, town, village, township, and municipality in each province has their own way of dealing with these tax defaulted property sales. Simply put, tax sales are public auctions where properties are sold to the highest bidder. Throughout the year, cities, towns, villages, townships, and municipalities in each province compile a list of properties against which taxes have been outstanding for at least a period of 2 years. After 2-year period is expired, the municipal treasurer prepares a tax arrear certificate and registers it against the property in question. The certificate gives an accurate description of the property and indicates the land will be sold by the public sale if all the taxes are not paid to the municipality within 1 year of registration of the certificate. In spite of the municipality's effort to collect these taxes, they often go unpaid and the properties are put in auction, allowing the public to purchase these properties. Now, this is how you get the bargains. Property can be bought for as low as 10 cents or 20 cents on the dollar, but these properties can only be purchased provided you are sophisticated, educated, professional real estate investor who has obtained proper mentoring and education, a company like World Wealth Builder. What type of properties are sold? Taxable properties can be found in every province. They can include vacant land, improved land, farms, cottages, houses, commercials, industrial properties, and occasionally some islands at the same time. They vary from very small lot to very large parcel with hundreds and thousands of acres of land. First, you have to know where and when the sale takes place. Then you can proceed carefully. There are 2 ways in which the authorities sell this property, either by public auction or public tender with a sealed or closed bid though. Now, why don't owners pay the taxes when the taxes are due? Well, there are many reasons why properties are sold for non-payment of taxes. In my opinion, it's mostly financial difficulties, death of an owner, owner living not in the same country, owner has moved, cannot be traced back, or dispute in the ownership with no party resorting to the court for settlement extra. Most tax deed sales are competitive bid. Many provinces only have one sale per year. Ontario has sale every month. Sheriff may also conduct sale in this journal. Canada tax sales have fewer properties than US tax sales because the provinces can be fairly lenient to the property owner. Each province handles sales differently. Tax sales are often conducted in the larger cities. Apart from the tax sales, we have a very special gift package for you, which contains a very practical educational material ready to implement now. We sell them usually for $999 for tonight. You can have this presentation. Apart from this presentation, this gift package contains a video. Let the taxman pay your down payment. It's an incredible strategy which can save you a huge amount of money. Let the taxman pay your moving costs. This strategy can save you from $5,000 to $40,000. And this let the taxman pay for your gardener suite. This can implement immediately. You can get unforgivable grant up to $25,000 plus to $35,000 and create a $10,000 a year annual income for next 25 years. All these gifts are available free of charge. All you have to do is go and become a free member of worldwealthbuilders.com. We want to say thank you very much. World Wealth Builder is a world-class leader teaching real estate investors, providing them proper education and mentoring.